Early in the morning hours, I took a train from Margao railway station to embark on a journey of discovering Coorg in Karnataka, a city in the southwestern region of India. Boarding the train in Margao, I settled into my window seat, ready to witness an unfolding tapestry of scenery and rich cultures. With the Goan coast behind me, the train winded its way through the lush greenery of Karnataka. The landscape transformed from golden fields, giving way to dense forests and rolling hills, each passing mile demonstrating wide areas of serenity. It took me altogether a 9-hour journey with a several hours lasting stop at Mangalore, the city which is proclaimed as gateway to Karnataka. It lies nestled between the blue waters of the Arabian Sea and the green, towering hills of the Western Ghats. Arriving in Coorg, I was picked up by one of the sons of the guest house in Kushalnagar, where I had planned to stay for 2 nights. The next morning, the lady of the guest house was kind to bring me to the Namdroling Monastery, which was just a short distance drive away from the guest house. Located amidst the rolling hills and verdant coffee plantations of Karnataka Coorg district lies this vibrant splash of color and culture. The monastery, also known as Golden Temple, is often associated with Indian spirituality. When you step through the monastery's ornate gates, you find yourself in a world of Tibetan Buddhism. It is a prominent Tibetan Buddhist monastery founded in 1963 by the Venerable Sakya Trizin. It serves as the main seat of the Liangma tradition of Tibetan Buddhism in South India. More than just a place of worship, Namdroling Monastery is a thriving community, a center for learning, and a breathtaking testament to the resilience and beauty of Tibetan culture in exile. With a visit to the Raja Seed Garden in Madikeri, where breathtaking views and a restful atmosphere awaited me, this was a perfect way to end the day peacefully in harmony with nature.